Did you know that if you owe $100,000 or more in federal and state taxes, your tax bill is on sale right now? Here's the background on the program I'm referencing. There was investment in a hedge fund in 2018. In 2019, this fund acquired a bank which unfortunately failed due to the economic impact of COVID-19 in 2020. As a result, the investors faced hundreds of millions in operating losses. These losses are eligible under the CARES Act to be carried forward at 100% of their value, allowing them to offset taxable income from 2021 onward. A trust was created in 2020 that holds these losses and issues equity-linked convertible tax bonds to enable investors to access this tax benefit. Over $250 million in these bonds have been issued. These are AAA-rated bonds comparable to U.S. Treasury bonds. The bonds are held by a broker-dealer and have been federally regulated since inception. The bonds have been reported consistently to the IRS on customer tax returns for the past 4 years. So how does this work for you? You can buy these bonds at a price equal to 75% of your expected combined state and federal tax liability. The face value of each bond equals your AGI or adjusted gross income. Upon filing your tax return, the bonds convert, canceling their value. As a result of the conversion, you become a beneficiary of the trust. As a beneficiary, you can apply the trust's operating losses to offset your taxable income, which is reported as ordinary losses on your return. The IRS applies the reported losses against your tax liabilities accordingly, reducing the overall tax burden. So let's look at an example. A taxpayer with an adjusted gross income, or AGI, of $708,000 and a tax liability of $221,000 may leverage the convertible tax bond program as follows. The bonds are bought with a face value of $708,000 for $165,750, which is 75% of the tax liability. By purchasing the bond, the client saves $55,250 or 25% of their tax liability. Rather than paying the IRS $221,000, the client pays $165,750 for a convertible tax bond, and after the bond conversion, receives a full refund of any federal and state taxes paid. So I have two questions. How did you fare on the 10/15 tax deadline, and would a 25% refund on your tax bill help? There's still time to amend and get a 25% refund on your 2024 tax bill. Contact us at the number below if you're interested in using this program.